Okay, can we just for a moment talk about what is crawling around outside my bedroom door? Yeah, nope. Nope. City girl bought the farm. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test out some sugar-free or low-sugar candies to maybe spice up movie night with the family. So if you're interested in seeing what those are and if they're any good, stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, before I forget, be sure and stay to the end of the video because I have a beauty bonus for you for those of you who hate chipping nail polish. So if you want to find something that actually lasts a long time, stay tuned to the end of this video. Okay, so my son and I went into Target last week to find something totally unrelated to anything we bought there. In fact, we didn't even find what we were going in there for and bought up a whole bunch of other stuff instead. Target's a problem. But I spotted on shelves a couple of new things that we wanted to compare to a couple of other things we've tried to see if they are any good. They say new. I had never seen them before. And that is the Lilly's Sour Gummy Worms, the Lilly's Gummy Bears. These all have 1 gram of sugar. And the Lilly's Dark Chocolate Covered Caramels, no sugar added. They also have a milk chocolate version of this. I didn't see that. I only saw the dark chocolate. I'm a fan of dark chocolate, so of course I picked this up. And what we're going to compare them to is the Smart Sweets. These are called Smart Sweets. I wonder if I eat them it'll make me smarter.
Think you so smart because you can read.
They have lots of different kinds of Smart Sweets. I have 2 of them here. This is the Sour Watermelon Bites to compare with the Sour Gummy Worms, and the regular Gummy Bears to compare with the other Lilly's Gummy Bears. They have a whole bunch of other ones. They just came out with like the root beer like wax bottle caps, and they also have Swedish fish and some other weird things, but I didn't try those because I'm not a child. But I thought we'd have my son taste test these and do a blind comparison test and see which one is better in a 15-year-old's mind, and then I'll give you my opinion as well. So let's go see what he thinks. All right, first up, Lilly's Dark Chocolate Covered Caramels. No sugar added. 110 calories for 28 grams. 17 carbs, 7 fiber. No added sugar. Let's see what the 15-year-old thinks of it.
Oh. I kind of expected it to be like a malt ball, but it's not.
It's more like a Milk Dud that's actually better.
No, milk duds are better.
Whatever. Well, you don't like dark chocolate.
No, I like dark chocolate. It's just, I still prefer a milk dud. I also saw.
You're not on a diet.
Yeah.
Okay.
I did see it though and think, man, this looks like a Whopper, but it is not.
Next is Lilly's Sour Gummy Worms. Less than 1 gram of sugar. 70 calories for 51 grams. Try one. Only one.
There's apple, peach, and lemon raspberry. Which flavors?
I don't know. Let's try one.
I'm gonna do lemon raspberry because I always love lemon and I love raspberry. So.
Okay. Pretty good, right? They're not too sour. They're just sour enough.
It's not quite sour. I would call it tart.
Yes. True.
I'm gonna try the other one.
No, they're mine.
There's another
Give
flavor. Alright, this is the peach and apple.
Oh, you got one.
I'm gonna try it.
Okay, and last is the Sweet Fruity Friends, also from Lilly's. 1 gram of sugar, less than 1. Same calories and all that as the sour ones.
So, the apple one is way more sour versus tart, and the other one is tart versus sour.
Okay.
They're a little different.
Okay.
Raspberry, strawberry, orange, and lemon. We're gonna try one of each.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good. I like it. Wasn't like super full of flavor. It's kind of like very hinted. Let's see what's this one. This one's
Pretty good.
raspberry. I want to see what this one tastes
Hopefully this doesn't have the same effect as the Amazon sugar-free gummy bears.
like. Yeah, I will not be eating more than 4 then.
Stop. If you have not gone onto Amazon and read the reviews for those original sugar-free gummy bears, you need to finish this video and then immediately go and read those. Because in small print they say, don't consume too many of this. Excessive consumption can cause a laxative effect. I don't see that warning on these, but it's really funny.
But yeah, it's pretty good. I like it.
Thanks. Okay, so now we're going to compare Lily's gummy bears versus Smart Sweets, and you don't know which one is which. We'll try that one first. Okay, don't give an opinion yet. Now try this one.
I need a cleanse.
A cleanser. Do you need a sorbet?
Well, I know which one was which now.
Which one's better?
Personally, I liked this one.
Oh, he picked Smart Sweets.
Yeah,
So did your father.
It had
He
more
also
fruit
picked-
flavor, and it was chewier, and it just seemed better to me.
Okay.
I mean, I liked both. I would actually, like, if I saw both, I'd take both, actually.
Okay.
But I just liked the Smart Sweet better. It was
Thank you
chewier
for
and had
your-
more fruit flavor.
Got it. Thanks.
Okay, so in a comparison, my husband and my son actually both like the Smart Sweets better. I think they're pretty comparable. And so if you can find one on sale, they are kind of pricey as, you know, low sugar type things go. But, you know, 70 calories per serving. These are 110 per serving. But you do get the entire bag with this. And with this one, you also get the entire bag. So this bag looks like it's a little bit bigger. It has 50 grams, and this one has 51 grams. Never mind. So lower calories on the Lilly's and a little bit higher on the Smart Sweets, but they are pretty comparable in price. These, on the other hand, are amazing. They're so good. They taste kind of like a Milk Dud. Less waxy actually than a Milk Dud, but so good. There are 3.5 servings per bag in this, so you're not going to eat the whole bag, but 20 grams of that gets you 110 calories. So that's not bad. There's no added sugars. It's made with erythritol, so it's not going to give you the laxative effect. And 17 total carbs, 1 gram of protein for those. But really great options for movie night, or if you're in a chocolate or a sweet mood, or you just want to act like a kid again and have some sour gummy worms. I hope you found this review helpful. If you see them in Target, I do know Smart Sweets is sold on Amazon in like bulk packages, so I'll link that below. But otherwise, I found these at Target. I'm sure you can find them at other places. They were just spotted on the shelves as new, so we thought we would try them out and give them a comparison. Okay, and now for the bonus. I have been going and getting my nails done at a salon, but it is so pricey and so time consuming, and I hate just painting my nails because they chip off the next day, and I feel like you got to do it every day, and it's just such a pain. But I saw a YouTuber making a video on this long wear SE nail polish, and I'll insert a clip here of what it looks like. They have all sorts of different colors. I also found this at Target, and so I thought I would put it to the test. I removed the dip powder that was on my nails currently because it had been like almost 4 weeks, and I painted on a really light pink color just in case it did chip off really badly. It wouldn't be quite as noticeable. And I did this last Thursday, so I have a clip of my fingers. I'm not the best painter, so, you know, cut me some slack. But it's now been a week. This is day 7, and it's still on. Now this is my non-dominant hand, 7 days in, not a single chip on any finger. This one, I did chip just a little bit there. I'm flipping you off, lovely. And then this one, it chipped a little bit there, and I just kind of dabbed a little bit of pink on to kind of give it more long wear and longevity because I didn't want to take it off and I wanted to see really how long. And that hasn't chipped either. None of the other ones have chipped. And I have done dishes. I've washed my hair twice. I've done yard work. And I did have gloves on when I did weed work, but this is crazy. It's totally lasted. None of my nails have broken. I have brittle peeling nails that are thin. I'm not saying this is a miracle, but for it to last a week, pretty much, is pretty nice. And there's no base coats or anything. It's 2 coats of the color, top coat, that's it. And so I think they were $11.49 for the top coat and each color. So you'd be spending $22 to get a color and a top coat. But obviously that's a one-time purchase for a while, and then you have multiple uses out of it. But if you're just like wanting something where you just paint your own nails and you want it to last for a week, Essie. Good job, Essie. So that's my beauty bonus. Hope you enjoyed that. If you find these videos helpful or funny or entertaining or whatever, go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. If you have, thank you so much for coming back and watching. Give this video a thumbs up and make sure you have your notification bell clicked so you don't miss any videos. I'll be back next week with a new video, maybe a recipe. I'm also going to be sharing what I use to exercise with for equipment for low impact for people that have like knee problems or arthritis or anything like that, carpal tunnel in my case. So be sure and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Otherwise, I hope you're having a great day and I'll see you in the next video.